Chapter 6. Nouns. Number. A noun which refers to one person, animal, place or thing is said to be in the singular number. Examples: boy, girl, cow, elephant, chair, table, country, park. A noun which refers to more than one person, animal, place or thing is said to be in the plural number. Examples: boys, girls, cows, elephants, chairs, tables, countries, parks. How to form plural nouns? In most cases, we add s to the singular noun to form the plural. Examples: singular, bat, plural, plus s, bats. Singular, ball, plus s, balls, plural. Elephant, singular, plus s, plural, elephants. In case of nouns ending in s, ss, sh, ch or x, we add es to the singular noun. Examples: singular, bus, plus es, plural, buses. Glass, singular, plus es, glasses, plural. Fox, singular, plus es, foxes, plural. I am a fox. We are foxes. Exceptions are there, such as ox, singular, oxen, plural. In case of nouns ending in o, we add es. Examples: singular, potato plus es, potatoes, plural. Tomato plus es, tomatoes. Hero plus es, heroes. However, photos is the plural of photo. Radios is the plural of radio. When nouns end in f or fe, we change the f or fe into ves. Examples: singular, plural, leaf, leaves, calf, calves. I am a leaf. We are leaves. Chief, chiefs, hoof, hoofs, roof, roofs, proof, proofs. When nouns end in consonant plus y, we change y to ies. I am a baby. When nouns end in vowels plus y, we add s to the singular nouns. Examples: singular, plural, boy plus s, boys. Monkey plus s, monkeys. Valley plus s, valleys. There are nouns which do not follow any of these rules. Some of these nouns form plurals by adding suffixes other than s, es, and so on. Examples: singular, plural, child, children, ox, oxen. I am a child. We are children. Some of these nouns form plurals by changing a single letter or several letters of the singular form. Examples: singular, plural, foot, feet, tooth, teeth, mouse, mice, woman, women. There are some nouns which do not change in their plural form. Examples: singular, plural, sheep, sheep, deer, deer, fish, fish. I am a sheep. We are sheep. To know whether the word is being used as a singular or plural noun, we have to understand the sentence. Examples: the child wanted to see a deer, singular. When he went to the zoo, he saw many deer, plural. Several sheep were grazing in the field, plural. A sheep was black in color, singular. We saw many colorful fish in the aquarium, plural. Popo was a fish who went on an adventure, singular. But sometimes we use fishes also. Example, we saw many kinds of fishes in the pond. Here, fishes suggest different varieties of fish. Similarly, fruit is used in the singular. Example, we should have fruit with breakfast every day. We use fruits when we mean different varieties of fruits. Example, different types of fruits are available in winter. There are some nouns which have only plural forms. Examples, plural, trousers, spectacles, jeans, scissors, clothes. Examples, the trousers do not fit you. Scissors are sharp, so handle them carefully. The clothes are bought from Jaipur. There are some nouns which have only singular forms. Examples, singular, furniture, news, information. Examples, the furniture was bought from this store. This information is very valuable for the students.